what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Audrey, and today I'm going to be trying the new Oreo cheesecake blizzard. So, we are at Dairy Queen. My mom just ordered. We're in my grandma's car. Sorry, I've been having a really bad hair day today. I don't know, my hair won't stay down, so. Yeah, my mom just ordered. We're in my grandma's car because my grandma came over today. So, we're actually getting the order already.
That's so awesome, guys, because we love that.
We're in a small car, literally. This is our car.
Yes, please.
Yes.
What did you get? M&M Legos. I mean, I'm gonna get the new Oreo cheesecake from Dairy King. So we're gonna see how this turns out. So I think we're already gonna get it. So we're getting it ready.
No, porque le puede hacer daño. Thank you.
You almost got me. Okay, I think they're already putting the blizzards in the cup holders. So.
I think that's ours.
Yeah, I think that was ours. And if y'all haven't seen my new TikTok, make sure to go see it.
I think
And
that's
yeah, I'll
ours.
leave it. And if y'all don't know what it is, I'll leave it down in the description. Wait, I think that's it. Yeah, I think they're already gonna give it to us, guys. Can't wait to try it out. They're flipping it over.
Thank you.
That girl just looked at me like,
Cheesecake.
what are you doing?
I got it.
Woo, can't wait to try it. How does it smell?
I know that's your grandma's.
Oh,
Wait.
that's...
That's your grandma.
Wow. Yeah, this looks like my dad's.
Mine?
That he got last.
Pruébelo.
Okay, this is actually gonna be...
Are you ready, Oreo? Sí.
My Oreo.
Penguin.
Finally, it's not all melted.
Okay, there.
¿Quiere?
I only did...
No, mis dientes. Yo le tomo aquí de mi
I only did Oreo there. I'm gonna try the other part.
Sí, ese es el de... Tan caros. Sí.
This one's good, guys.
Oh my god, this is really good.
Ay, mi Dios.
I can taste the Oreo and the cheesecake in there.
I already stopped talking like that. A mí chiflado, yo mero ni le da por $3 y feria que transas.
That's good.
¿Qué tanto costará el grande?
Oh wait, there's a big piece of cheesecake here. There's gonna be a big
No está grande.
piece.
No está grande. Está mediano.
Now that's good.